Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the car. It is Friday, August 9th. I was supposed to be at the beach this weekend enjoying the sun, but because of Hurricane Debbie, that got canceled. But I'm still gonna do something fun. I'm gonna take a ride up to Lewisburg and do a little shopping, so you guys are gonna come along. So stay tuned. We're gonna hit a couple of the stores up there. Hopefully make it through all this rain. If you can imagine, it's coming down in buckets around me. So stay tuned and we'll see you at the first stop. All right, guys, we've made it after some white knuckle driving. It was pretty bad. So let's take a look and see what we find. They're interesting. Let me grab those. I definitely like him. Let's see. $8. Very cool. I think we're gonna get him too. I might need to see if I can find a basket. I'm already got 2 full hands of stuff and I'm not even that far into the building. Lots of littles. There's so much cool stuff here. I don't even know where to start. Ooh. Yeah, you know, I'm a sucker for a poodle. 15. Not too bad. How much is he? Oh, we're gonna get him. He's pretty cool. Alright. Let me see if I can find a basket. Alright. Look at this lovely lady here. Original package. She's 35, but she's 20% off. I think we're going to take a chance on this. I think this is something special. I had to get these on camera. I love these dancers. They're $65 for the pair. I really wish I had some space to put them. But I already have some similar that I have, so, but that's a great price for them. Look at this cool yellow timer. Black and yellow, what do we got on it? $4.50. That's a pretty good price. You might think about that. Alright, now we are talking. Some really nice early celluloid, any holiday stuff. Those cute 3 little angels there. They have 29 on the set, and it's 20% off. Look at this little celluloid car. I gotta love all the little skaters. Very cute. I just had to show all this Halloween. Look at that cat. He's awesome. $2.95. I love that jack-o'-lantern back there. $3.25. This guy is really cute too. I have one similar to that. What do they have on that? $2.65. Not bad. Oh, I love it. Look at the glass in this case. Absolutely gorgeous. There's fairy lamps. Beautiful uranium glass vase back there. Bride's basket. It's a lot of treasure. I had to share all the blood molds. I'm gonna be honest, I'm tempted by this little tree. We have the Halloween. I actually have both of these guys here. I like the little deer down here. He's pretty cool. Guys, I just had to get this on video. They're on YouTube at the Blow Mold Show, but they have an amazing selection of Halloween pails. I love this one here. I don't know why, but I think he was so funny. Very cool. See if they have anything else somewhere else, but I love the pails all together. I think that's a great look. It's so cute. Look at this little wreath. What do we have on this? $26 and 20%. That's not a bad price. But they have a great aesthetic in here. I love this. It's adorable. Or the owl family. Made out of little pom-poms. That's adorable too. Oh, these are fun. What do we got on these? You know me and my inflatables. Oh, here we go. $18. That's not terrible. Just very cool. Well, St. Patrick's Day. These cool little bunnies here. But very neat. Oh, I think we found the mothership. Look at all the vintage Christmas. You know I'm going to spend some time in here. So, where to start? Oh, he's really cool. I like him. I have him, and that's a really good price for him too. Some ornaments. Some garlands. There's a lot of really cool stuff here. Oh, what do we got? It's $5.95. Oh, $5.95. That's cute. What do we got? This person here. Well, there. Oh, $22.50. Not bad. Not bad. And we have all this stuff here. Very neat. Fantastic aesthetics. Lots of mid-century glassware. And I think the prices are very, very reasonable. Have the, that's only $90, that big one there. That's not bad at all. Some amber. And then we have the swung vases here. 75, 130. Little rainbow cruets. It's nice Ollie Smith. And then we have all this neat stuff. And this amazing teak bar cart. It's a very, very nice setup here. Very nice. These are amazing. The whole set of 8, 2 4. Oh. 625. I wonder if he's included. I like him. He's part of the 8. Oh. So he's part of the 8. But that's pretty cool. Because it's got a little bit of everything. And there's some very interesting things in here. Lots of glass. And I think the last thing I'm going to pick up today, just want to look through here one more time. I love that little tree. So make it that tree. But what I really like to see is, I love this little Halloween napkin. I'm going to get that. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Andrew. I'm a vintage collector slash reseller specializing in mid-century items, specifically holiday, glassware, knickknacks, linens, textiles, anything from the 50s, 60s, or 70s that catches my eye, I'm into. Today we took a trip up to Roller Mills in Lewisburg, Pennsylvania to do a little shopping. We hit a couple of other stores, so there'll be separate videos, but originally I was supposed to be going down to the shore for the weekend. I took Thursday and Friday off. I was going to do a long weekend down there, but thanks to Hurricane Debbie, or excuse me, Tropical Storm Debbie, that got postponed. And that also took me a little bit longer to get to my final destination because I was white knuckling it the whole way from the Harrisburg area up to Lewisburg. So it was quite interesting. I thought about trying to get some footage on the way there, but I did not want to stop. I did not want to try to do anything while I was driving. I just was focused on getting there. So we're gonna insert the footage here of me shopping. Brian, just make that there. We're gonna show you here in a moment me shopping and what I picked up, and then we're gonna do a recap here after that, so stay tuned. All right, now you can put the footage in of me shopping in Roller Mills. So I got a few things. Most of it is going to be staying with me. I actually got a couple things off camera that were birthday presents for people, so they won't be making it onto the reel here. But the first thing I grabbed was, I'm trying to think, this Italian dressing guy. Now he does have a little nick right there, but I thought it was pretty funny. He's gonna hang out, stay with me. I'm half Italian. Brian is Italian, so something cool to put in the kitchen. He's even got a little chest hair there, which was kind of funny. But picked him up. He was only, I think, $8, so it wasn't too bad. I also picked up this guy for my St. Patrick's Day decor. He's like a kissing elf gnome guy sitting on a mushroom, possibly. He was only about $6, so I thought it'd be cool to add to the decor. I'm trying to think what else here. Oh, I picked these heads up. There's 3 of them. These I might keep one to fix something I have and then let the other 2 go. They're like a cloth material. I saw these only because it was raining so hard when I first got there. They had buckets throughout the antique mall because water was everywhere. I mean, it wasn't in the building. There was a couple spots, but everywhere else was. And I ended up like scooting around, and I looked down to make sure I wasn't going to step on anything, and these guys were there. So they were pretty cool. Like I said, I'm going to keep one to fix something I have and then let the other 2 go. Yeah, it was an interesting experience. One of the things that I recall as I was driving down 11 and 15 going to that direction was people who had hills on the other side of the road. You just saw it was like a giant waterfall. Like it looked like a mini version of Niagara Falls just coming down through their yard and water just pooling everywhere. I definitely questioned my sanity driving up there, but by the time I got up there and started getting around to some of the places, everything was dried up. We were safe and sound. So this one, I think I'm going to let go of. I think somebody out there will really appreciate it. This is a blue-haired angel by Shiny Bright. Now, I did pay up a little bit on this. I think I paid $35 for it. But I think these are pretty hard to come by, especially, excuse me, new in the package. You don't often see that. So she's in perfect shape, never been out, but we will be letting somebody out there pick her up, so I'll get that listed soon enough. The last case I looked at, I saw 2 things that I like, and I'll be honest with you, I like this little gold tree. I don't know how old it is. I think it is a made in Japan tree that maybe somebody embellished, but I picked that up. I thought that was really cool, and I think I paid like $8 for it, which wasn't too bad. But it was very cute. And for my Halloween decor, and I paid I think $7 for this lovely little napkin with the black cat and the pumpkins, and they're all kind of laughing, making faces. But I thought that was cute too. So, like I said, I did pick up a couple things, but they're gifts, so I don't want to show them on camera in case anybody sees them. But I had a really good time at Roller Mills. The staff was really friendly. Everybody was super helpful. I hadn't been there in a while, so I'm definitely going to make a trip back again. Maybe see if we can get a group of people together and do a little shop with me as a group. But needless to say, I will be going back. So it was a short haul video, but it was a good one. So let me know what your favorite thing was. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, make sure you check out my eBay store. The link is down in the description below. And if you have any questions about anything, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I very much appreciate it. And we will see you on the next one.